Hello and welcome to a quick little video tutorial on how to sign up for a BC Education ID, where you can use it to select, see, and print your transcripts. So click on the link below the video to get to this spot. So the first thing you do is you go sign up for BC Education ID. And you're going to start putting in your credentials. You want to use an email that you check all the time, so your regular email. You do not need a middle name. Phone number is optional. The user ID you choose, it's recommended that you try the exact same login you use at your school, which would be first name, last initial, and then your last two digits of your student number. Password should be 8 characters long, max of 14, lower and uppercase, and a number and a symbol. And so this is the same kind of password as your MyEdBC BC password, so you could use that exact password for this. You have to do 2 skill testing questions for password resets, just like in MyEdBC BC. So you select the question. Okay, then you have to check, yes, I've read and accept the terms. Hit continue. And so now we have a user registration is complete. You can continue to transcripts. Then you have to put in your PAN number, first name, last name, date of birth, and your email. And submit. So it says registration confirmation link sent to your email. So now you have to go open up a new browser. There you go. And so we have a no reply student tran. Activate your student. And activate student registration. And your profile activation was successful. So you must do that. Go back to your email for a sec. And if I go back to the email, that you'll notice to finish this process, you need to click on the link below within 24 hours of receiving this email. If you do not, you will have to complete the registration process again. And then we'll try and get in. With the login and password that you created. And this is where this page is your dashboard, and it's where you can do select transcripts. Thanks for watching.